Let's talk about the latest launched Vivo smartphone V40e with ultra-slim luxury design. Now, let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED curved display, 6.77 inches Full HD Plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2392 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio, 93.3% screen to body ratio. Approximately 387 ppi pixel density, HDR10 plus color quality support, and with 120 Hz refresh rate. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel Sony IMX882 sensor main camera with aperture 1.79 and support optical image stabilization, along with 8 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera with aperture 2.2 with aura light. For selfies it has 50 megapixel punch-hole cutout front camera with aperture 2.0. Video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, up to 3 years of major OS upgrades and up to 4 years of security updates, based on exclusive optimized version of FunTouch OS 14 screen on top. The device, under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.5 GHz quad-core Cortex-A78 plus 2 GHz quad-core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7304 nanometer chipset, paired with Mali G615MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8 GB of extended RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.72 by 75 by 7.49 millimeters, and it weighs around 183 grams. And the color options: mint green, royal bronze colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5500 mAh battery with 80-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication with Face Unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, USB Type-C audio jack, with dual stereo speakers support, USB Type-C charging port, and are IP64 dust and water resistant. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Vivo V40e has been priced in Pakistan for 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 99,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Vivo V40e smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.